breakfast. We're fueling up for a very special exercise in which we learn a little bit more about the uneasy relationship sometimes between cyclists and HGV drivers.
LGV, I'm afraid.
LGV. We have to call them LGVs,
lorries.
apparently.
Say lorries?
LGVs. LGV drivers on London's busy streets. Let's go.
Some of the streets in the city are not really built for LGVs, so it can be quite a challenge sometimes.
It's important to make sure that everything around you has seen you. You can't presume that they know where you're supposed to be.
Take a good look down your left side before you make the turn, and as you make the turn, have another look. Take a little bit of a wide stance in case there's something you haven't seen earlier. Just keep looking.
Now, because this truck is indicating left, there's no way I'm going off on its inside, because the chances are he hasn't seen me. And he's got a lot to concentrate on. I'm just not going to get involved.
Most of the cyclist knows where he's going. We've got regular routes, you know.
Yeah.
So he knows what he's doing.
And if he'd tried to squeeze through just as you made the turn, things could have got a bit interesting, couldn't they? Yeah.
And at the moment, I can't see the castle cement mirrors, so there's a fair chance he's got no idea that I'm here.
That's another thing that people need to be aware of, isn't it? Is these things aren't as manoeuvrable as cars and stuff. They don't stop as quickly, they don't pull away as quickly.
Because the lights have only just turned red, I can feel confident of pulling in front of this LGV, but I will double check that he's seen me. I've made my presence felt. The LGV's turning left, I'm turning left. If the lights had been red for quite a long time, there's no way I would have come up the inside, because the lights could have changed to green, he could have turned left, and quite rightly had no idea that I was there. But at this point, I take up a dominant position in the advanced stop line. Just got to remember that you're not in some kind of protective bubble. It's no one else's responsibility, ultimately, to make sure that you're safe. It's your responsibility, and I felt that very keenly. Obviously, this is a bigger LGV than the other one. What's the other difference?
Well, the differences are, obviously with a rigid, the whole body goes at the same time as you turn. With this, you're aiming to head past the turning and then turn at the last minute. But what'll happen is your cab will go first and then your trailer will follow. So you'll look observing out the left-hand mirror. 1 minute you'll be looking down the trailer, and then next thing you'll be looking further away towards the buildings on your left. Okay. And then vice versa on the right, when you're looking out of the offside mirror, as you turn you'll be looking at the trailer and then at the front of the trailer.
So opening up much bigger blind spots.
Exactly, exactly. And okay, if he wanders around the lorry, you can tell me when you can see him and when you can't see him.
I can see him now.
That's good, that's good.
Can't see him now.
Yep.
But now he's in my mirror, but there was a
perfect.
good kind of 2 seconds when I couldn't see him.
That's correct, yeah. No, that's how quickly it happens. That's how quickly, you know, accidents can be caused.
He's gone behind the truck, can't see him, can't see him, can't see him. Oh, yeah, just got a glimpse.
Yep.
He's appeared on the right-hand side.
That's it.
He's coming up the side. So now I can see him.
That's good,
So I'm driving along, I'm concentrating on other things. I can see Phil, he's there.
Yep.
Now he's completely disappeared.
Right,
Don't know where he is. Ah! There he is. So that was a good, I have to say, a good kind of 1.5 yards, 2 metres maybe, where I couldn't see him.
That's it, yes.
And the same on that side.
Just imagine if you're driving along, you'll observe one cyclist when possibly there could be 2 or 3 suddenly appearing from both sides.
Yeah.
And like when you come around the front, you can't really observe them straight away. So, you know, they could be closer to the lorry and you haven't seen them. There are obviously mirrors scattered all around the lorry, so you can see them, but all the mirrors don't cover every area.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, lads.
No problem.
No problem.
That's great fun and very illuminating.
Well, we've certainly built bridges between the cycling community and the lorry drivers.
LGVs.
LGV drivers.
We have our high-tech hat back, please.
Excellent. And you, stay out of my blind spot.
And you, stay safe.